Hi, let's see how easy it is to connect to your database in MLJAR Studio. Start by opening a new conversational notebook. In the dialog window, just set up a database connector. Next, choose your database type. Let's pick Microsoft SQL Server. Now fill in the required fields: database, schema, username, and password. Once that's done, click Test Connection. If everything is correct, you'll see a success message. Now you can browse your database and select the tables you want to work with. In the conversational interface, you can simply ask questions about your data. For example, how many employees do we have? And you'll get an answer instantly. You can also ask for an interactive plot, and MLJAR Studio will generate a visualization for you. Below the chart, you'll find explanations and insights about your data. Behind the scenes, MLJAR Studio automatically creates and sends queries to your database. You can review those queries anytime. It really couldn't be simpler.